Crocs has unleashed a chilling yet playful twist for Halloween with the IT Pennywise X Crocs Classic Clog, merging horror with streetwear. The design boldly reimagines the classic clog, featuring Pennywise's sinister face, complete with sharp yellow eyes, crimson makeup streaks, and a 3D red clown nose. A fiery red faux fur patch decorates the heel strap, mimicking the villain's iconic hair, while the black sole is detailed with dripping blood-red graphics for added fright. Despite its terrifying visuals, the clog retains Crocs' signature lightweight Croslite construction, ensuring comfort alongside its costume-like appeal. This haunting footwear strikes a balance between festive novelty and wearable fashion, appealing both to Halloween enthusiasts and Crocs fans looking for standout style. Priced at $80, the collaboration is now available at JD Sports US, proving Crocs' knack for blending pop culture, functionality, and seasonal fun into a bold collector's piece.